Taking responsibility, one could say it's not a lifestyle for many kids until this little chap stunned many. In a video posted online, it showed the little girl was emotionally broken, having mistakenly stepped on one of nature's inhabitants.
What happened? Where were you going to?
I was going too close.
And then what happened?
It cracked the wood.
Oh my God. And that's his sister there. It's going to be so lonely, Yole. Come and show me the cracked snail that you stepped on. You need to go and tell his sister sorry for killing his brother.
I'm sorry for killing your brother, sister.
Come closer. He can't hear you.
I'm sorry, Sister Snail. I want to escape, please.
Say, forgive me, Mr. Snail, Sister Snail.
Please forgive me, Sister Snail.
Yole, are you sorry?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, stop crying. I think the snail has forgiven you. Stop crying.
He's still alive.
He's alive. He's alive now. But what is his? Where is his brother? You killed his brother.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God! He's going to be lonely forever.
Don't worry. I think we can build it